Hey guys, what's up, Kylie? Welcome to my channel, or back to my channel. I'm so excited to be doing today's video. It's a wildflower case unboxing and review. So this is the package that came in. This is my second wildflower case. I had one for my old phone, but then I got a new phone over summer. The current case I have on my phone is from Kroma Cases. I do have a discount code, always in the description of my videos as well. It's just SimplyKye. I really like this case and it's super productive, and I do recommend the Kroma Cases. Like, I was in the car and I dropped my phone out of the car, and this case protected my phone and it like barely got messed up. But I just want to change, and I've been eyeing this wildflower case for a while, so I really just wanted to pick it up finally. So what it comes with is, it came with this cute little card with these little angels. There's actually an angel case that's like this, and it says "We love you" on it, and then my little order thing. And now for the actual case that I got, I'm so excited. Is the like pink cow case. I think this is actually new. I think the pink cow case is new. I was eyeing the cow case for so long, but I never got it. But then when the pink cow case came out, I had to get it. So it's so cute. It just looks like this. Let me show you guys it. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's so cute, and just the back is so adorable. Every single case is unique, which I love. And it came with 2 stickers. It came with the little pink cow one, and this little this other one's purple one. So here's the actual case. It's so pretty. You guys can follow them on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat, all at Wildflower Cases. And it's so cute. It just has a little thing. And here's the case. It's so pretty. I love it. Can't wait to put it on my phone. I have a iPhone 8 Plus. I think it's, I don't even know. These cases are so hard to get off and get on, though. That's the only complaint I have about them. Like, I love this case so much, and I get so many compliments on it, but it was so hard to get on. It took me so long. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm gonna wreck my nail doing this. I have to go ask my brother to take it off because I don't want to wreck my nails. Okay, I'm gonna try to go get this case off. These are so hard to get off and on. Yeah, I'm gonna go take this off, and then I'll be back and I'll put this on. So okay, so I finally have my phone with the case off. Nobody in my family could get my case off, so finally I was just like, I can't, because I couldn't do it with my nails. So I was like, I had my brother try, I had my mom try, I had my dad try. Nobody could get it off, so finally I was like, I need to take this off. So I just went and like snapped it off. I don't know how I got it off, but nobody could get it off but me. But this is, I love this case so much. It's so cute, you guys, but I just wanted to change. So let's see. Oh my god, it's gonna look so cute. If you guys have never ordered a wildflower case, by the way, it's like fabric. It snaps on so easily. That's what I love about these cases. They're so easy to put on. This is the front. It's like very protective looking, and here's the back. I can't really give like a review right now because I haven't had the case for a while. My old wildflower case that I had, but probably like 6 months ago that I had, was probably like, I got it in like May of 2018, so I had it like 8 months ago probably. I don't know. It was really good, and it protected my phone really well. These cases are pretty protective from like my experience, and they just are super cute. And I don't know, I just feel like they make you look so trendy, and I really do recommend these cases. Like, they are really good quality, and they don't break super easily. I haven't had super bad experiences with really any case brand, but these ones are pretty. When I got this phone, I gave my old wildflower case to my mom, and she's had it since June, and it's still in really good shape, and she actually wants to order another one, so that's pretty cool. She has the Claudia Swirsky one, you know, the one with like the flowers on it. I mean, they're pretty good, but yeah, this is mine. It's so cute. So a review, I would definitely recommend that you guys go buy one, and if you do, definitely let me know down below, and if you guys get the same one as me, let me know. And I hope you guys enjoyed this review / unboxing. The packaging was pretty just standard, just a little bubble wrap, thing. And I know you guys really like when I do unboxings, so I wanted to do one. And you do get some stickers. I think you get like 2 stickers per case, because last time I ordered a case, I think I got 2 stickers as well. And you get this cute little card, and yeah, you also get a cute little box to store it in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe down below and turn on my post notifications so you get notified every time I upload a video. And also make sure that I show up in your subscription box, and make sure to follow me on DOTE and on Pinterest down below. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.